Daddy,
Hello.
stop.
Who are you?
Yeah.
My name is Sam. Sam the Lion.
Here, put the monkey down.
How are you today, Sam? I'm good. What are you doing, Sam? Nothing. Just chilling. Sam, can I ask you a question? Yeah. Why are your whiskers like that? I don't know. You smell something good? Yeah. What do you smell? I don't know. You hungry? Yeah. What do you want to eat? Zebra. Zebra? Zebra don't sound good. It is to a lion. Yeah, you're probably right about that. So what were you doing over there, Sam? Nothing, just sleeping. Ah, that's a nice little bracelet you got there. What, this whole thing? Oh, it's just a ring that my mommy gave me. Your mommy? Who is your mommy? Zipporah. She's over there. Oh, that's your mommy? Yeah, but she's not a lion. I know, she adopted me. Oh, okay. Well, here, you can lay down for a second, and we'll figure out what's going on. Yeah! Monkey! Monkey! Why are you making all that noise? Monkey! Monkey! You don't stop making all that noise, I'm gonna hold your mouth closed. Monkey, if I let your mouth go, will you stop talking? You stop yelling? Okay. Monkey! Stop all that noise. Okay.